Hello, this is Mark. Today I will show you how to use the motorized lifting system. Before we use the lifting system, first we make sure the NEMA 23 stepper motor, also the coupling was fixed to the Z axis. Also the 15 connector was connected well. Also the power plug was connected. This laser switch need to turn on. These two buttons on the right hand side, one is for the upper and the other one is for the going down. Press the button to go up, and this one is going down. Okay. In daily scenario, if I have something to mark, I put something on the table and turn the main board and the scanner switch and turn the radar on top of the scanner. You will see there are two red dots on the small piece. If I turn the scanner down, you can see the two red dots going together. And at this point, the two red dots was very near each other. We see this is the focal point. If I go into turn the scanner down, the point may go far. That's our focus point. So I will turn the scanner up, go back to the focal point like this, and then we can start the marking job. That's all for today's demo. Thank you very much. Bye bye.